This video will show you how to log into and use DJI Delivery Hub. Before using DJI Delivery Hub, make sure your drone is compatible with DJI Delivery Hub. Also, check whether the firmware is up to date and upgrade it to the latest version if not. Input the URL https://dh.dji.com, and then click Login to navigate to the DJI account login page. Input your DJI account and password to enter the DJI Delivery Hub page. When you log in for the first time, read the privacy policy and terms of use. And select I have read and agree to DJI privacy policy and terms of use. If your account does not belong to any existing team, create a team on the redirected page. If your account belongs to an existing team, you are redirected to the team list page. On the redirected page, click Create Team. Input a name for the team. Mark the location of the team on the map, and then click OK. The team is created. Click to enter the My Team page. You have the administrator permissions for this team. After the team is created, you can go to the Basics page to set personnel information. On the Basics page, click Add Member. Input the DJI account to be added. Set a username, and then assign a user role. User roles include admin and member. Team administrators have all the permissions for teams, and other roles have only limited permissions. After setting the personnel information, click OK. The member is added. If you need to add multiple members at a time, download the template file in Excel format. Input member information in the template file, and then import the file to add the members. If you need to add drones to an existing team, use a DJI account that belongs to the team. To log into DJI Pilot 2, enter the DJI Delivery Hub screen. Select the team to which the current DJI account belongs and bind the drones. After you add drones, go to the Basics tab of DJI Delivery Hub page and select Devices. To check the overview of added drones, edit drone names, view drone data and maintenance items, view HMS, Health Management System, information, or remove the added drones. DJI Delivery Hub supports flight management in a task-based manner. On the Tasks tab of the Mission Management page, you can create a task. You can also use the filter to query information such as task execution status during a specific period of time, the task status of a specific drone, and the execution status of routes with different task status. Move the mouse pointer over the start and end time of a task to view the progress, execution status, overview, and other related information about the task. Through Actions, you can edit the task information, after which the task enters the to be performed state. If you need to execute a task again, click the Copy icon to copy the task information. On the Task Tracking tab, you can view the number of online drones pending takeoff, the number of drones being monitored, the number of tasks being executed, the number of tasks being monitored, the number of offline drones with ongoing tasks, the status of drones with ongoing tasks, the number of online drones on standby, and the number of online operators with their usernames. Enter the flight route library. Tap the sorting icon next to last updated to sort flight routes by time created. Click Import Route, and then import a KMZ flight route file to the flight route library of DJI Delivery Hub. Click the plus sign on the right to create a flight route via satellite map, which will be explained later. The flight route list allows you to check the route length, plan the flight time. You can select a route by clicking it. and view the whole trajectory of the route. With the assistance of satellite cloud imagery, press and hold the control key on the keyboard and move the mouse pointer on the screen to enter the 3D preview of the flight route. If multiple flight route tasks exist in an area, you can select the multiple flight routes in the flight route library to preview the flight routes the same way described previously. If you need to adjust a route, click the Edit or More icon. Enter the Locations tab to view the list of marked locations. You can filter locations by update time. Search for favorite locations, or search for locations with more specific conditions as needed. Click the plus sign. Create a location. Enter a name. Double-check information, and then click OK. View the locations list. Select the desired location to switch to the task area. Meanwhile, you can also edit, view, delete, or add an alternate landing site. Click an alternate landing site to view information about it. Statistics. Enter the statistics page. You can query the overview of team tasks within a specific period of time. Filtering by day is supported for finer-grained data statistics. If you need information about a single drone or flight route, filter information based on the drone or route. Information displayed on the right side includes the current username, notification center, and weather information. Above is an introduction to the first use and basic functions of DJI Delivery Hub. If you have any questions during the use of this product, please contact DJI support.